Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the under hood cabin air filters for your like 2007 all the way up to like 2019 BMW X5 or X6. Today I'm working on a 14 X6, but again, the filter replacement is going to be similar on both those vehicles, the X5 and the X6. Some of them do have a filter located underneath the dash. We're not going to work on that today. This vehicle actually doesn't have one under the dash, but some do. But today we're going to do the two that are located under the hood. So let's go ahead and jump into that. All right, so again, today we're going to do the two under the hood. They are both located right here. What you're going to need to do this job is a 13mm socket. An extension will be helpful, and a ratchet. I use 1/4 inch, just makes it a little bit easier with the thinner bar, gives you a little bit more room. So ratchet, extension, 13mm, and most likely you'll need a pair of side cuts or dikes to get one of the trim pieces off here. So let's go ahead and jump into this really quick. What we're going to do is we're going to start by removing this panel, and under here you'll see the housing that holds both the filters. Now, just so you know, I've already replaced these filters, so they will look brand new, but I still wanted to give you guys a video on how to do it, because there will be a lot of you out there that need to do this. So let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this rubber seal right here and lift it up and out of the way, because you don't need that. And then we're going to, right here, there is a little tiny plastic rivet. That's what we use the side cuts for here. We pull that out, and then we pull the rivet out. And so we don't lose them, we're going to put the centerpiece back into the rivet and set that aside. Now we're going to take off the 13mm clips that hold this panel in. These clips actually only take a half turn, and then they will loosen up. So that's it. And this one up here, lift this panel up and out. And now you'll see this is the box that holds the two filters. You're going to have one there, and one there. And again, this is why I said using the extension will come in handy. All right, so again, these don't come off. We're just going to give them a quick turn. So one, there, you just grab a hold of this case. You're going to pick it up and lift it out, just like so. All right, so here are the two filters. Again, these are brand new, so they don't need to be replaced again, but I will show you how they sit inside of here. So these are actually snapped into place. So you got these little tabs here. You pop those up. You pop these up, and they come out. So they only go in one way. So if you're worried about which way the filter has to face, no big deal here. They only go in one way. So you take that one out, pull down on these clips, and then that one comes out as well. Super simple. So you take your new ones out of the box. Again, these clips will only go in one way, and the filters are identical, so they can go either way. All right, so I'm going to drop these back in. So again, the filters only go one way, so we're going to slide them in. Grab the next one, same thing. So your buttons are going to be at the top here, and they just go down. You slide them in, clip them into place, and that is it. So we're going to, in reverse, put this back in. So this opening here for the fresh air door, that is actually what lines up right here. You guys can see that. That lines up right here. So the air gets pulled through here, which gets pulled through the filters. So we know that we had the two buttons on the back. So we're going to start by putting those in. I set it down there. By the way, there is a fresh air sensor right here. Grab the camera. Mine was not hooked up, so we're going to hook that into the sensor here like it's supposed to be. Put this back on. Again, now we'll get the top put on. Alright, so start with the shield. This gets wrapped around both this cord and the hood strut. So we just take a minute, don't be in a hurry. You don't need to break anything. So we're just gonna fit this in here. There's actually, this little scoop here goes into a hole right here in the fender. So you need to line that up. Once you get that lined up, it'll slip right back in place like it should. Just like that. Make sure over here, this piece sits flush. And then we're just going to tighten this all down. Our little plastic rivet, that goes right back here. That's nice and tight. And then we put our rubber seal back on, like that. And you have now completed the cabin air filter replacement on your BMW X5 or X6. Hope that helps. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. Otherwise, I'd like you to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and make sure to come back for the next video where I either show off a vehicle, we teach you some new things, or just get to have some fun and do some cool shit. Thanks again, guys.